Good morning. Thank you for calling Classic Improvement Products. How may I help you?
Welcome to Classic Improvement Products, a residential, commercial, wholesale, and uninstalled improvement products company.
We are a family-owned and operated, 5-star rated business with a 100% employee-based team celebrating over 20 years in business.
Our corporate office is located at 5538 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim Hills, California.
Sales, installation, and service are available throughout all of Orange County, Los Angeles, Ventura, Riverside, San Bernardino, and Palm Springs for the residential, commercial, hospitality, and restaurant industry. Our product line includes retractable screen doors, motorized power screens, interior plantation shutters, closet doors, room dividers, wall slides, exterior shutters, Bahama shutters, blinds, shades, manual patio shades, fixed awnings, retractable awnings, and sloped trellis awning covers.
Our wholesale fabrication division is a leading manufacturer of high-quality, professionally fabricated improvement products. We currently distribute our entire product line to our dealer network throughout the entire United States. Contact us today to become a dealer.
Our entire product line is also available uninstalled. We currently offer shipping of uninstalled purchases throughout the United States. If you are local, we can measure your openings so that you will receive the correct products the first time on your do-it-yourself project.
Our team has been providing high-quality improvement products for over 20 years now. We look forward to working with you soon.